Welcome to the next installment of Who's the Better Tang, and today, what are we throwing?
We're throwing, what do I want to call it? The fan favorite?
Fan favorite, the Tang favorite?
Yeah.
The Urethane. I'm throwing the pitch black. So, what are the rules? How do we do this?
We're throwing the goat.
Alright, so we're gonna throw 5 shots. Cumulative total across the 5 shots wins and is the better Tang this episode. Let's get it.
Alright, so since he is the loser, the 2-time defending loser, he gets to go first.
Alright. Just to let you guys know, we had 1 practice shot on this pair, not on each lane. Mikey threw 1 on 25, and I threw 1 on 26. So, it's the pitch black though. You be lined up immediately.
On the 37-foot...
38.
38?
It says 37 up there, but John said it's 38.
Okay. 37.5-foot Marshall Holman pad. Once again, he gets off to a slow start.
How many hours into practice are we? Because I feel like that should have hooked.
Mine almost 710, like high flush 710.
Well, looks like I'm in trouble off grid, but we're not blowing a house shot this time, so I still got a chance. Did you zoom? I got 7 on the board. No good. I thought I threw that pretty good too. We'll make some adjustments as we go. This is the PBA Tour. Things are a little different out here. Oh, come on, man.
You see, I haven't thrown this ball much today. I don't know if that lane hooks more. Fills the ball.
This is bull. Guys, throw your next shot.
All right, yeah.
They look really lined up.
This is the lane I got practice on, so this will tell me a lot.
Dude, I aced mine, got 7. You...
I mean, if that's any indication, this lane's probably tight.
Yeah, I've been playing the right lanes to be tighter. Maybe this is the one exception. I'm back in.
Yeah.
Maybe your ball just reads the fronts way more than mine.
Yeah, we knew that. I've just got no clue what the f my ball's gonna do.
Good, good. All right, 17-7.
You want something to the Tang?
Who's the better Tang?
Oh, are we having this debate now?
Yeah, it's a video series now.
Oh, no.
We're gonna get player opinions.
I don't know.
This is episode 3, by the way.
Episode 3.
Yeah. So.
This is going on for a while.
Yeah.
You guys are you're really trying to figure this out.
Who do you think is leading? What do you think the score is?
Who's made more shows?
What? No, we made 2 out of these episodes.
Yeah. Who's made more shows?
Oh, him.
Tang 1 or Tang 2?
Him.
I mean, it's even in the... I came out first, a bit more shows. Instead, I got more points.
Yeah, more life experience.
More life
Yeah,
experience.
true. I mean, if you go by like the basketball stats, if you go like by age, same age 25, I think I'm winning as far as shows, but it's true.
Basketball stats.
It's true. That's how they do the Jordan versus LeBron at age like 36.
Lucky for me, we're not playing basketball.
Yeah.
At age 36, Jordan is sitting on his couch, and LeBron has 33,000 points.
I think even if we
LeBron's
go
still
by
the best
that,
player in the
I'm
league.
still
Yeah,
winning.
yeah.
All right, well, hey, if you're the better Tang, then do it right now.
I'm down 0-2.
Right now.
Okay.
None of that matters except for right now.
Right now.
I just don't understand how that doesn't strike when you have a urethane ball in your hand. I don't get it.
Maybe this is not the year of the urethane ball. Once again last week.
Let's hope.
That spells 16 to 17.
Come here, man. Why would you wish that upon me? 17-16 down 1. This is a familiar setting for me. I should know how to handle this by now.
Yeah, handle this L.
Bruh.
He knows what happens. Gets down early.
Time. I'm coming back.
Never comes back. He never comes back.
Oh, there it is.
Oh, he's at 22? 22 for 3 shots?
Dude, I just went light and 2-pin the last shot.
Man.
This lane's easy, guys.
I think you gave that one the old cable car.
I did. Like, this one's going to hook.
You got lost in the sauce?
An extra curl.
You got lost in the sauce?
I need to get lucky, man. Okay, what do I got, 23?
I just
That's
need
not
nines. I need nines the rest of the way and I win.
You
Right?
play tactically.
Mathematically, nines the rest of the way.
You can earn yourself a double. Never mind. I was gonna say you could go through it, but
No. I got 23, you got 17.
What I went Brooklyn on this one.
Yeah,
I barely hit the
that
head.
should count for 8. I don't know what I'm gonna do here. Bro, I'm just gonna lose every episode.
there's a it's throwing it a little harder.
That was the adjustment, actually. I think I need to receive credit for that.
The physical is
You didn't call it
physical
beforehand.
difference. It doesn't account for it.
Physical difference. You can see this guy, he's jacked. Look at this.
If you're taller,
Look at this,
lankier.
Darren. Give us the right bicep flex. That's the wrong one.
Wrong one.
That one. Whatever.
Which way's the gym, bro?
What's the score? 27 to 22?
23.
How do you have 23?
That's 6.
Yeah, you had
7.
16 before that.
Oh, right, I got 9. I thought I struck. Wow, I don't know how to strike on these things.
Cheap.
I waste all my strikes on the YouTube video or the blog reviews.
Oh, God.
Can I get an endless 10 frame or something? At least make it kind of exciting.
I mean, the amount of pins you're knocking down, I don't think it's going to help you
Dude,
having an endless 10 frame.
if this is any indication of how this week is going to go.
Oh, no.
I didn't get Mutombo.
Pressure's on.
Pressure's on. Well, can you guys at least like the video, make me feel a little bit better about losing?
22 to 37.
Even if you vote for Mikey, you still gotta like the video for Darren, because then they both win. See, we're all about everybody getting a trophy around here.
Yeah.
It's 2021.
Yeah. Participation trophy.
Okay. We're getting back in this right here.
Darren, I showed you
I think we're already out of this.
I showed you the adjustment. Does he have?
Oh, there.
I thought that Amy was standing for sure. Just give it a
There she is. I don't care. Hello.
A wild Oscar. When you're a real man, you carry 6 balls with one hand.
so strong.
That's Finnish strength.
I'm gonna ice.
Come on, strike for the channel.
All right.
One time.
I'm trying to, all right? It's not my fault.
Strike for the channel.
Stipulation for when the matches get this far apart.
So like a mercy rule?
Yeah.
Do I win or does that mean I win?
No.
I don't throw my next shot. All right, if Adam Johnson strikes on this shot,
Do I get a 5 bonus?
2,500 likes.
5 bonus pins.
No.
If AJ strikes.
No,
Wait, what's
no,
your? You got
no.
37?
Yeah.
Yeah. 5 bonus pins if AJ strikes.
No, throw it in the f***ing gutter.
5 bonus pins.
Throw it in the gutter.
This is an assist right here. Oh, that's a new thing. Assist.
No.
Yep. I'm getting the 5.
Where's my assist then?
Come on, baby. Oh!
See, and whenever you leave, you should like get a subtraction off.
Why would you subtract? You already won.
It's a gamble.
Marshall threw urethane on this lane, so
It's a gamble. I hate urethane.
it's not my fault.
Urethane's stupid.
Don't ask him.
Stupid. He's stupid.
See ya.
There you go. Now you're working the right side of the pocket.
Guys, I'm just lost on that lane.
Brother, you gotta at least do the same thing as you.
Right.
Take the camera so I can look.
Man, okay, final tally for D-Tang, 42.
I
Mikey
need
needs 6. You should throw left-handed.
6 is no guarantee. I'm gonna be honest.
Yeah, throw left-handed. Sack up.
No.
Boo. What a ween, man. What a loser. Make it interesting. Get 5.
Can we have like season stats? I'm averaging 4 strikes per challenge.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just point to where you want them.
I want, let's see, here. The score tally's here, right?
Yeah.
Season stats here.
Okay. You have to keep track of them though, because I'm not going to.
And then you freeze frame it, right?
You what? What do you ask you?
I owe Oscar a beer.
Why?
2.5 years ago, he drilled a new ball, and he 3/610. He said, "You owe me a beer if I take the 6-pin out." I said, "Okay," foolishly. So it's been 2.5 years in the making. And I haven't gotten him that beer yet.
Shame.
It's all right.
A nice wiping down. That's pretty aggressive. He didn't
that back one more
He
time.
didn't like it.
Can
He
we-
didn't
can we-
like it. No,
Hey, let's
redos.
run that back.
No redos. One take, Jake.
Let's run that back.
Close it out. Close it out.
Run it back.
There are redos, but that shot still stays in the video.
We're gonna run that back.
At least you get a retry. Re-rack.
We've used this after the previous shot. Let's see if it
What?
more.
I'm acing this one.
I got this.
That would have been the most perfect closeout if that would have connected.
AJ Johnson outro. Take 3.
About time. Hey, check out my man's page, Vitamin D Tang. Until next time, we out.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
This is extra shot
I gotta try
to feel better about himself. This is the last shot of our practice session.
I squared up. I went Brooklyn.
Darren,
I
I
got harder. I
showed you
went
the
high.
move.
The first shot I went light and I aced.
I showed you the move.
What was the move?
I stood in the same spot. I brought my target like one left the air and just threw it hard. You don't even need to hit it. It automatically hooks. See, who's the urethane king now?
Like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching if you're still watching.
How do I do this? This way, guys.
Bye.